Good morning. 4:30 in the morning now. I start running for my LSD, long slow distance, 21 kilometers. I chose a morning run because today is my off. Camel sign. That means we have camel here sometimes across here, crossing this road. And then that sun also. That sun in the middle of the desert. I'm here outside Chipi, going to Arnalam. That road. This road going to Arnalam. Now I'll